胡子，你问视频啥？他讲的。12年了。啊？12年。
Right, we're in the Muslim restaurant tonight and we've got sweet sour pork. We've got
Sweet and sour pork and fried rice. Spicy, right? Area it was so dark and scary. The end part is also nice. There are shops like like
two little shish kebabs.
they got the royal to orange. They got the orange.
Yeah, oh, it smells very lammy. We've got not too much spice. Okay, great.
What is this mild? Mild spice.
Mild spice.
Okay.
It's alright. Quite nice.
Minutes, it's only 4 minutes ago. But I'll be back.
Can we have an expression?
Apa yun? Nice eh.
It's very nice. It can't be pork because it's Muslim. It tastes like pork. No, it can't be. So we don't know what it is.
Beef. Beef mutton. Sorry,
Beef.
I'm sure it's not chicken.
It's either beef or mutton because it's a Muslim place, but it's good, very good. So if we're still alive tomorrow, don't forget, subscribe. Subscribe to our videos, watch us eating our way around China. Don't forget, subscribe and you won't miss a mouthful. See you next time. Take care for now.